Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you on a short tour of Pisa and the Leaning Tower, and we really hope you enjoy this video.
Early morning in Spezia. Not even the cockerels are up yet, are they? Oh, seagulls are up, not cockerels.
We need to take this into consideration, don't we?
Yeah, we need to walk faster, that's what we need to do.
Upon arrival, as you can see, the neighbourhood was not very inviting. However, at the end of this road, there sure was a sight to behold. Just arrived at Pisa. We've come for the day to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa, obviously. We got on at Spezia, and where did we get off?
We got off at Pisa Rossore rather than Pisa Central.
Yeah.
We thought we made an error, but it turns out that we just walked down the road and here we were.
Yeah, really quick, so really good idea to get off at that one and not the central one. It's very early in the morning, and as you can probably see behind, it's really busy, guys. So little tip is get here mega early. The quicker you can get here, the better.
We got the 8:20 train. Would it take about an hour?
Yeah.
Hour and 10?
Yeah, it took us about an hour.
We thought we were early, thought we were going to be the first ones here, and it was packed when we got here.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
get here in plenty of time.
Yeah,
But yeah, 88 degrees today.
very hot.
Hats on, suntan lotion.
Bring your juice, your water, because you'll need it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, I'll see you in a minute.
See you later.
9:40 in the morning and the place is packed. The cathedral is in the centre and it's the oldest of the three structures. Construction began in 1063 and it took almost 30 years to complete. The third and final building is the bell tower and what we know as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The foundations for the tower were laid in August 1173. It took 199 years and 3 stages of construction to complete the 57-metre high tower. Work on the tower was slow and often abandoned for decades due to Pisa often being at war with Florence, Genoa and other city-states. The second building is the Baptistrey of St John. This was constructed in 1152 and completed in 1363. It's the largest baptistry in Italy and it stands 55 metres high. Work was finally completed in 1372. Attempts were made throughout the tower's history to correct its tilt. Unfortunately, the 3-metre deep foundations and the soft soil were not sufficient to withstand this tower's weight. This caused the tower to lean 5.5 degrees, or about 4.5 metres. So here's an interesting fact. The tower has survived 4 strong earthquakes since 1280. Now the same soft soil that almost brought the tower to the verge of collapse has actually helped it to survive. One of those train spots, isn't it?
We spent a couple of hours at Pisa and headed back to the port of Spezia at around midday. Please like and subscribe and join us on our next adventure.